ORS 811.145, failure to yield to an emergency vehicle. Immediately drive to a position parallel to the right-hand edge of a curb or roadway, clear of any intersection. You will notice multiple intersections in this clip provided, as nowhere to pull over until through and clear of said intersections. I am currently following the white car, keeping up with regular traffic speed, not speeding. The cop has not initiated the stop yet. He pulls in behind me right here, following the car in front of me and not speeding. This is him pulling in behind me. You'll notice the truck speeding by both of us, the cop and myself. He has now initiated the stop. Again, I am following the white car in front of me, so I move over. The cop is following me to get over. I cannot pull over due to that other cop. The other police officer has a car pulled over, and I'm getting off an off-ramp. I do not feel safe pulling over on a 70, 75 mile an hour off-ramp. I don't feel safe for me or the police officer. So I continue past the off-ramp into an intersection, and I am well aware how the law reads. I cannot stop in an intersection, nor would I want to stop on a freeway off-ramp intersection, so I proceed. I am fully aware the cop is behind me, and I am looking for a spot to pull over. The amount of time for the red light, it cannot be helped by me. I'm now looking for a spot to pull over on the curb. And the cop appears to be signaling me to pull over, which I am aware of. And I am looking, but I see another intersection. And again, I know how the law reads. I cannot pull over until clear of an intersection. So I turn at this intersection to get clear of both intersections and the freeway to an immediate stop where it is safe for me and the officer. I do not feel I was failing to yield. I was not speeding. I was not running from him in any way, shape, or form. This is an officer who seemed to be not in the right frame of mind, seemed to be in a mental place that was not good. When he approached me, I asked him for 6 feet of distance multiple times. He did not provide me the 6 feet of distance. He would not answer any of my questions. He was extremely rude, and I would like the audio logs pulled so you can hear what he said to me, because it was worth hearing. Thank you very much for your time. I was not speeding. I was not failing to yield. I believe you should look into Officer Nelson Massey.